Hi, I'm Pastor Rick Hope, pastor at First Baptist Church Lillian. Here is today's daily devotional thought brought to you by First Baptist Church Lillian and No Compromise Ministries. I'm at Ed Miller Bookkeeping Services in downtown Alvarado. And now bookkeeping and me, no, it doesn't work. Most of the time my money goes off in directions it shouldn't go because I'm not always the best steward of it. And a lot of times I'll think, oh yeah, we're good. I saw money in the bank, so we're good. But my wife knows that money's already spoken for. It's already spoken for a hospital bill. It's already spoken for a event coming up. It's already spoken for our phone bill. And just because it's in the bank doesn't mean that it's available. Okay, well, a lot of times in our spiritual life, we say, oh yeah, I'm good. You see me in church, and I'm good. You see me holding the Bible every now and then, and I'm good. I don't have a jail record. And sometimes, just like in Daniel 5:27, God tells us, well, you still don't measure up. You are weighed in the balances and found wanting, because even though you think you've got it all together, because you are not doing it out of the right motivation, you are operating on a spiritual deficit. So here's what I ask you to do today. Check your spiritual bank account. What are the reasons that you do what you do? Are they for the glory of God, or are they for the glory of yourself? Are you going to found weighed in the balances and found wanting?